So hi, I'm gonna do a quick tarot reading for all the zodiac signs over here. So let me start with the Aries and Aries Taurus. So each zodiac sign contains 5 to 6 minutes of tarot reading. This will give you a quick message what you need to know, what is a positive outcome, what is the overall energy, and what it is going to be. Yeah, if you want to book a personal reading, the details are in the description box. This is going to be a general one. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Just take what resonates with you. If you are very new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if it resonates, please do like my videos, and you can share it with your friends and family. That would be the great help. So thank you so much. Without any delay, let's begin. Gemini. Gemini, hi. So I'm gonna do a quick tarot reading for you, a quick message, outcome, and the overall energy. Okay, Gemini. Quick message for Gemini, please. Quick message for Gemini, please. Quick message for Gemini, please. What they need to know. Okay. There's something about to begin. Okay, some new beginning regarding your passion or something over here. Okay, there is a new beginning is certainly on the way for you guys. Okay, maybe money could be the problem. You're struggling between your mind and heart over here. The overall energy for you is the Three of Pentacles. It could be the business partnership for you. It could be a teamwork regarding on that. Okay, but it's definitely going to begin. What's a positive outcome of this situation over here? What's a positive outcome of the situation over here? The positive outcome of the situation is the Hermit. Okay. Yes. Let's see what is a let me clarify for you guys what is it all about. Okay, why the Three of Pentacles is here? Why the Three of Pentacles is here? The Three of Pentacles overall energy is clarified by the Tower and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, maybe I just want you to be very careful with your collaboration or your partnership over here. Okay. So should they start this alone? Should they start this alone? Should they start this business or the new beginning alone? Or they have to do it. I feel like even if that's so, you should be the leader for them. You should be on the way to lead them. You should not be walking under them. This is it for you, but it's definitely going to begin for sure. Why the Two of Pentacles is here? But at the Hermit, it's awakening, but I don't know why it is there for, but let me clarify it for you. A quick messages, a new thing is on the way. Why the Two of Pentacles? Why the Two of Pentacles is there for you? Okay, maybe the beginning it's not going to give you a happiness for it. That is why you're juggling between your heart and mind. Okay, maybe it could be the money issue or the trust issues over here with your people. Okay, I'm getting Eight of Cups and the Six of Cups. Maybe you're going to do this among with your family members or with the very known people. The outcome is the Hermit. You are being left alone over here. You are being left alone over here. The brand new beginning, maybe it's a business, maybe the energy, maybe it could be the anything in general, your circumstance, or it could be the situation. It's not only about the job or career or love, it could be anything. I feel like you're going to understand something over here. You're going to learn a lesson based on this. It's going to be an awakening period for you, or you're going to be it's not about you're going to be isolated. It's not alone time or something. It's about a learning period. Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is the outcome here? Why the Hermit is here? The Hermit is clarified by the Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups. I feel like you're going to take a power over here for you. Maybe this isolation or something. Maybe this Hermit mode, your awakening is going to teach you something. It's going to bring your power back over here. Bring your power back over here. You're being juggling between over here, but this result or this outcome, it's definitely going to bring your power back. It's isolation time or your alone time, it's definitely going to bring the great things within yourself. I see a disappointment over here, so but definitely a beginning is there for you. It's better for you if you lead the team. If you lead the team, just to please be careful. Please be careful with the people whom you are going to be do this project or do these things, or it could be the marriage. Okay, I just want you to be very careful. Don't have any kind of hopes and faith before you know a full picture of a complete situation over here. Okay,